My name is Ayyan Abeer and I am from class 2C and he is my friend. My name is Afnan and I am also from class 2C. Today we will tell you about the solar system. The sun and 8 planets make our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Let's meet them.
I am Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is also the smallest planet to our solar system.
Planet Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. It is also the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is the brightest planet in our solar system. It is also closest to the Sun, Earth. My name is Earth. Earth is the planet on which we all live. It is the planet on the solar system that has living things on it. Thank you.
Hey friends, I am Mars. Mars is the planet most similar to Earth. It is orbited by its 2 moons.
Friends, I am Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Saturn. Saturn is surrounded by rings made from ice and rock. Thank you.
Hello, I am Uranus. I am the coldest planet. I have 7 moons. I am the 7th planet. I am the third largest planet. I have 13 rings. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Neptune. Neptune is the last planet discovered by humans. It is the farthest planet from the Sun.